Okay, guys, so we are live. Obsession guy, hi. Good evening, Saji. Okay, I think you guys sent the message in advance already. Now we are live. The time is 3 o'clock Central European time, and for India it is 6:30 p.m. and then London is I think 2 p.m. like 1 hour difference. So yeah, always you can go to the channel and notify the click on notify, and YouTube will let you know once we are live on the channel. Okay, let me know if few people are live and if you can hear me. If audio is good, video is good, I'll really appreciate your feedback, and then we can get this stream started. Yeah, there's some comments was earlier. Why we started the stream? We planned the stream for 3 p.m. like or 6:30 p.m. Indian time. Okay. Yeah. So today the stream gonna be about AI generated content myths and facts, because a lot of people they are struggling between the guidelines. They think that Google says that Google does not penalize the AI generated content, which is true. But again, it's more about how Google treat that content. It's not penalizing. We know that Google don't penalize the agent content, but it's more about how Google is treating that content. So whether your content, which is AI generated completely, will be indexed or not, because that's a big issue. You can have content on your website, nobody gonna stop you. You can have AI generated content, you can have low value content, you can have thin content, you can have any kind of content on your website. Google is not going to penalize you. But the question is, will Google would Google index your content which is low value or AI generated content? That's the big question, and today we're going to talk more on that point. So yeah, let's get some people start the stream, come on the stream, then we can start this topic for today, and then we're going to take the questions from you guys about if you are facing any issue regarding SEO, regarding digital marketing, or regarding SEO, or any kind of general questions you have. I will take the questions, and in the end we will do the live audits and on the channel. If it is the first time on the channel, then you might already know that how this sorry, if it's not the first time, you already know that how the stream works. But for the people who are first time on the stream, for this is a format, we take one topic for the day and then we talk on the topic, and then after we take questions, and then in the end we take live audit for your websites and blogs. Okay, Sergi looking like 80s Bollywood actor. Thank you so much. Is it a compliment or is a you are pulling my leg? Well, thank you so much, Pallav. How are you doing, brother? Madhya SEO, how are you? Hi, how are you? Madhya SEO, I'm good. How are you doing? Okay, we have a few people on the stream, 5 people watching the stream. Nice. Is Pallav, you think the audio is clear? Compliment, thank you. Okay. And also let me, I think we have not published a video since last time we did the stream, or let me see if I publish a video on the channel since last time. No, I have not published a video. One video is in process right now. The video will come. It will be more about AI generated content. That's why I wanted to choose. That's why I've chosen this topic for live stream today. And also we're going to do one more live stream after that video will be published. So if you're someone who have some questions about AI generated content, let me know. Palla, how is your website doing? We're gonna see a website this year online or not yet? It's not ready. Instead of pink shirt, black shirt and sunglasses, auto clear. Audio. Why? uh, okay, okay. January 2026, your website gonna live. Okay, nice, cool. Okay, so let me start the commentary about the topic today, which is about the AI generated content, and then we can take it from there. Okay. Let me open this document I prepared. And guys, are you guys watching the videos on the channel and implementing those or not? Because I see sometime, WhatsApp group, you guys asking the same question which we already have video about, and yeah, and I think it's easier if you watch the content and then you can ask questions like more precise question. Okay, so let's talk about AI generated content. So Google has this special guidelines which is against scaled content abuse with AI. And what this statement says that if many pages are generated primarily to benefit the owner of website without helping without helping users. For example, AI generated scale content abuse using automated tools or generative AI otherwise as a low effort way to produce many pages and little to no value for website visitor. So this is really clear here. Let me put this here. Okay. Let me open this document on the screen so you guys can see what I mean. Okay. So this is the document from Google guidelines about quality content and with the usage of AI, because a lot of people are abusing this AI and generating a lot of trash content. But now in September this month, they've released new guidelines, and this guidelines contains following things. First of all, scale content abuse with AI. So when you create the content on mass level, for example, most of the people who are getting rejection from AdSense also whose pages are not getting indexed because they get a lot of content from AI. So that's scale abuse with AI. And we are talking about indexing of the content. We are not talking about penalizing the content. Yes, a lot of people say, oh, but Google say they will not penalize the AI content and they itself give the AI overview. Yes, it's true, but we are talking about indexing. You can create any kind of content you want. You can create any low value content. You can create any thin content, any waste or useless content, any best content. If it's not indexed, the purpose of content, I think, is nowhere to be fulfilled. Okay, so scale content abuse with AI. So example for AI generated scale content abuse will be using automated tools, generative AI, or otherwise as a low way to produce many pages that add little no value to website visitor. Creating many pages where the content makes little or no sense to a readers but contains search keyword. That's what happens when you ask AI, please write a SEO optimized blog post or page on this keyword, then it happens. That's mass produced content. And then there is other guidelines from Google about lowest quality main content. So main content is like the piece of content you put. You have the header, footer, other information, sidebar, and then the main content, which is, you can also say, the meat of the page. So lowest quality main content, there is an again section from Google 4.6.6 page number 42. You can a video is coming soon. I think this Monday the video will be released where you can find this document and everything else what I already talked about AI generated content in that video, so you will know everything in detail. So this applies when main content largely unoriginal, provide no value. What is the criteria? Criteria is lowest value rating applies. Okay, so there is a rating. So Google has page quality rating for every web page, and then after, if that page quality rating is high, Google will index the page with high priority. But if the page rating is low, Google will not index the page. They might be stuck in discovered not currently not indexed or crawled currently not indexed status. You can see on your Google Search Console. So if it has lowest rating, so if almost all the MC on the page is copied, paraphrased, embedded, auto or AI generated, it's clearly written here if it's auto or AI generated or reposted from other source with little no effort but no originality and no added value for the website visitors. They have to come out and say this clear, because the garbage content is getting so much on the internet, like it's the insane amount of resources is going to filter out that kind of content. Deceptive AI content, guys, this is very important. I see a lot of people who create this website giving advice for health, giving advice for blogging. It could be deceptive AI content. For example, a printing site claimed to provide exact provide advice, but its term revealed that some articles were AI generated. So Google will know that if you're running a health blog or if you're running a finance blog or a medical advice blog, you have no experience in it, and you are generating content from AI, so your content will not be indexed, and when it will not be indexed, there is no point of creating that content. You will not have visitors, and whatever your motive will be behind the content is clearly not going to meet. Since users are not clearly informed that it could be unreliable, site has lowest EAT. So, for example, like parenting or health advice written by AI with no human oversight, it can be dangerous for readers. I know so many of people who create like crypto website because it has high RPMs and CPC, but you have no idea. You just go to ChatGPT and create the content. So that's not gonna work, and that's now Google has the clear advice. Now let's talk humanizing tool. A lot of people talk humanizing tool. So what humanizing does? Humanizing is not enough. Simply paraphrasing AI text or sprinkling a new personal word does not make it high quality. Search engines look for depth, expertise, and usefulness, not just polished grammar. You can bypass GPT, but that does not make your content high quality. So people who think that if they use the AI humanizing tool, they can bypass GPT. Yes, you can bypass GPT detector, but that does not make your content high quality. That's really important to understand. So you have to make sure that your content has high quality. Creating content from AI, copy pasting it like we already talked about it, and then passing it for humanizing content is you wasting only your time. You're not adding any value to the internet. You're not doing any good for you. Instead, you're doing much more damage to your website reputation. And there is another. And there is one more guideline, which is like if the significant part of your website is created by AI, then also your pages which are helpful will not be indexed. So this is site by guidelines from Google. Again, this comes from the Google official guidelines. So if your website, a lot of people say that I create half content by myself, half content by AI. So this is for those people, because Google say if the significant part of your website is created using AI, and half part you are making yourself. So even your some pages are good pages, just because your significant part of on your website is created using AI, your helpful pages will also not be indexed. So that will also make a big impact on your website. So that was it. Let me know if you have any questions about it, or you can also comment, and the video is releasing very soon on this topic. Detailed video, you will know more information about it. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Okay, obsession guy, brother, I got AdSense, but its type is organization. Now I need to close AdSense account. Reply again. My question: can I get this account again? Or yeah, why not? You can get again AdSense. If the content is good, yeah, why not? You can get clearly the AdSense approval. Okay, did I send in the just give me a moment. I'm gonna send message on the WhatsApp group that we are live, so that people can join from there also. Palla 2026 is very far. You have to release your website. I think you fall in the trap of perfectionism. Google using AI to, of course. Google use AI to detect AI content. This is the thing. People abuse things so much that instead of being it useful, more people are using for like wrong purposes. How many people you know they are using AI properly? They are using for generating AI images, fake images, fake videos. Same thing happened with Google Instant Indexing API. You remember, like a few years ago, Google launched Instant Indexing API, and it was only for like short-lived posts. For example, like if you have a job vacancy, or if you're going live. So this kind of content was supposed to be indexed using Instant Indexing API, but people are indexing every kind of content using this API. So Google has to stop that Instant Indexing API. And yeah, it was real nice tool for people to index their blog post, but yeah, it's gone. Don't exist anymore. That Okay. How it is going? Jobs. Yes, yes. The jobs was the one of the allowed post or allowed content which was supposed to be indexed using instant indexing API, but finally they have to drop this API because it was bringing a lot of content which was not meant to be indexed instantly. And let's check, and Google was indexing everything, whatever was coming through instant indexing API. So this was kind of like, complicated with the resources and everything. Okay, so yeah, now let's talk about live audits. Let me open the live audits, or if you have any questions, so we can do that. So before we go to live audit, let me tell the rules of live audit. So be respectful, no spam, have fun, submit website for audit by pin link in the chat. I'm going to give link in the chat. Do not submit website against Google YouTube policies. Wait for a chance and learn from other audits. Who need personal assistance can book their audit via link in the pinned comment or in the description. Consider joining channel membership for members only stream. Okay, so we have this little form. So you can go to the website, and from here you can submit your website for audit. If you have any questions, like you can write your name, your email, what should I focus in audit, your website URL, and are you subscribed on YouTube or not, and terms and condition. Okay, and please write detail here. What should I see in the, what should I check in the audit, what should I cover in the audit. That's very, very important. Okay, I'm going to add this link here. Okay, it's on the, I'm pinning is on the top of the chat right now, pin message. So here is the message. You can see, you can click on this link, then you will come to this page, and here you can submit your website if you want me to audit. We can take some more questions before you go to live audit. And also, if I want to talk to you about, guys, please watch. There are a lot of nice videos on the channel. This video is real nice. Explode CTR now for the people who are facing issues with their website, not getting a lot of clicks but having some impressions. So you can convert those impressions into more clicks, and when you have more clicks on the website, it is a good signal for Google, especially if you're creating content around popular topics, recent topics. Then you also have good chances to go into Google Discover. And you guys might know that Google Discover is a real nice way to get a lot of traffic, but it is not very short way. No, but still it's a very good way. So I highly recommend to watch this video. And then we have topical map series. Here you can watch 4 videos in topical map series. Then also semantic SEO guide, rank for hundreds of keyword for and EAT. For example, like the old method, what people does nowadays also, to give ChatGPT one keyword and writing article around it, or creating the content of the website around it. But instead what they can do, they can write content semantically, and then you have much high probability of ranking for multiple keywords with a single article. The semantic SEO guide, 24 minutes video. I break down everything in detail in this video. And then you have this is the problem, like this video for the people who are creating the Dahej dowry calculator website. I can read about it, only got 512 views, and this is a big issue. I see there's thousands of people creating this kind of website, which is totally illegal website. I create video about it and people are still creating the website about it. I'm not sure where is the intelligence going on. Like people, they don't understand the basic, principles. Okay, then we have explored traffic to millions with AI SEO GEO guide. This is also nice video. Basically this is just advanced SEO for targeting AI searches. So you can also watch this video to know how you can get more traffic with AI searches. Then it's again a nice video about EAT, how to show EAT on your website. You can watch this video. I give a lot of tips how you can show that you are authority in that domain. Yeah, Bihar Dahesh calculator. Africa Dahesh calculator. Bihar is even, like in India. There's some guys they create African Dahesh calculator, and then the IIT Dahesh calculator, NRI Dahesh calculator. Pathetic. Just copy it. Okay, then we have more AI traffic videos recently. Please watch this video. And also, if you want to watch this video, 2 months ago I created this video. Did Google just destroy ChatGPT? Real nice video. And now we saw recently that with new update from Google, how hard it is going for ChatGPT, Perplexity, and all the other tools. So yeah, watch this video, very informative videos. And so a lot of people are facing issues. Sitemap also, guys. Sitemap video is already available here, so please watch this video. So many nice video. And yes, some people they're asking me how to write blog posts. Guys, I have so many videos on the channel that how to write a nice blog post. This is the video AI plus SEO strategy, how to write nice blog post. So just watch these videos. Like, I receive so many comments, please create a video. We already have the video about it. So if you want to write a nice blog post, watch this video, and then you can watch the video with semantically SEO optimization. So you can create a semantically optimized blog post and rank for multiple keywords. Everything is there. Okay, let me see if I got some website. Not a lot of people live today. What's happening, guys? I think YouTube is like bringing the reach down. Channel is not getting a lot of views these days. I don't know why. Even I think the reach is going down. Even on the live stream, I see a lot of people, they message me, send me message or email that we don't know when your channel went live. And I was like, something is happening. Something is not right with YouTube. Even in my YouTube studio, I am receiving very old data. For example, if some video got 3,000 views, YouTube studio shows 1,000 views. I don't know what's happening with YouTube. There's some big issues with YouTube these days. Sajay Lift plugin wala making a video of Edge Calculator, saying how this website. Who is Lift plugin wala? Wallah, I didn't get it. Making a video of Edge Calculator saying how website makes volume. Yeah. I know. Who's this guy? Lift plugin wala. Lift plugin? I don't know about this plugin. Okay. Yeah, there's so many people. I saw this guy. So there's a guy, he got 1 million followers, and I saw how to write a blog post. So he said, what do? You open the top ranking blog post, copy the content on clipboard, put it, then paste it on a file, and then translate the content into your own language. So for example, from English to Hindi, and then read in Hindi and then write yourself in English. So according to him, this is how you write quality content. And he's saying then you can publish the same content on your website, because you translate other language, you write in your own words, it's not copied content. So yeah, and it's not problem of these people. It's I don't know. The people lack logical and reasoning. I think it's very important to question everything and to not fall into such kind of trap. I don't know Lift plugin. Why not? Okay. Send me message, WhatsApp me. Oh, Lift plugin. I don't know Lift plugin. Is it a YouTuber or what? Send me the WhatsApp Allah. You can audit this plugin also. I just send you a message, Palla. Zen ul Abdeen, sir, what are the best practice for showing AI overview LLM like ChatGPT or Perplexity? I already create Zen a video about it. You can go to my channel, and These are few videos you can, sorry, let me see. Okay, this video AI modes SEO secret, how to get featured, and this is one to rank on. This is a real nice video. I think I should change thumbnail of this video. Thumbnail is very boring, but it's a very nice video. That how to get more traffic, 57% more traffic with AI mode. You can copy this, and then this is the video. With this one, millions with AI SEO. If you implement this one, you will have more traffic using from AI tools. If that was the question. How to create tool-based website? Yeah. Tool. How? Okay. How to create tool-based website? What kind of tool you want to create? I installed that plugin last year. I hope that plugin will load my website faster, but reduce the speed. Yeah. Airlift. What happened with Airlift? We did a sponsored video on the channel about Airlift. I made a video about it. What happened? You didn't like the plugin? Hey, what's up, buddy? Saurav J4. Saurav, how are you? Remember me laughing emoji. It reduced load speed. Why? The problem with the speed optimization plugins is, every website is different and every plugin is different. We have so many videos on the channel about speed optimization. It's not like this is the same thing. When people ask me, tell me how to write blog posts from AI. This is the same thing. Improve speed of website using a plugin. Does not work like this. Every website is different. And you cannot have website optimized just using one plugin or turning on or off some options. It's really, really complicated. You have to really understand. Look, I have so many video on speed optimization, like from light speed cache plugin to WP fastest cache, from asset cleanup to concept also. This is very good video. It got more than 100,000 views now, 100k views. It's about LCP, and I think I did not talk about any plugin in this, but we talk more about the concept, and because Google is being little bit very not correct with the LCP, it was having, so I explained everything in this video, and this video got very appreciated by a lot of people. It got thousands of likes, and a lot of people I think like, and okay, let me show you this video. Very nice video. $108K, yeah. Wow, when I stream 1000 likes. So yeah, more than how much it will be like. Yeah, a lot of comments also. This video is really, really nice video. So you should watch this kind of videos where you learn the basic concept, because most of the plugins, they does the similar work. They all gonna differ your JavaScript files, all of them. Most of them, they're gonna convert your file into WebP and they're gonna implement a CDN. Every plugin does the same thing. Now it depends on your website, like how your website is designed, which plugin are having conflict. So that's the important thing about website optimization. I have light speed, I have SoundCloud optimizer. I created a video about it, 12-minute long video, not a sponsored video. I just created a video about it 2 years ago, and then WP Rocket. This was a sponsored video, 42,000 views. Yeah. This was the video I created with, they sponsored me for this video. So I created WP Rocket video. And then Lightspeed Cache, I have so many videos. And then I compare some plugins also. And also a lot of things. 10 Web Booster, but very old video. I think 3 or 4 years old video. YouTube is showing the wrong information, 2 years old video. Very old video. Asset Cleanup, Fastest Cache is the 5 minutes. I think Fastest Cache is the best plugin for small website, for blogs and everything. Is the best plugin because it's really easy to implement and implements only basic things. And most of the website who don't have like huge functioning on the website, they're just basic information website, they should use Fastest Cache plugin. Super simple, easy plugin, and then they can implement, they can have fast website. Even some of my website, I revealed here, they're having huge traffic, like not in terms of like numbers, but like huge value of traffic. We are doing like I explain the store we are running like which crossed $10 million. So on that website we are using WA Fast Cache plugin, and this is super simple plugin. So imagine if a website who is doing millions of dollars can use this plugin, so why not you can use on a simple website. Very complicated. I started the channel. If you go to the channel in starting, I just create video about fast speed optimization because that was my interest, and I like, okay, nobody is giving good advice on YouTube, so let me create the videos about site optimization. I think, yeah, you can see the first video I created 5 years ago was about improve WordPress website speed. 800 views, very embarrassing video. And then again about then I created more thing. But started with the website optimization, and after I created so many videos about, here we go, this is the fastest cache video, and then after so many videos came on this topic, very in-depth detail. I created video about how to, the basic concept, how to defer and async JavaScript. That was also a nice era for this channel when I was just talking about website optimization. I want to create movie related website, can you guide me? Yeah, watch my video. What kind of movie related website you want to create? As usual, working building my site. Nice, Saurav. I realize only Lightspeed works well since I am using Hostinger. No, not just Hostinger use Lightspeed. Lot of hosting use Lightspeed. Hostinger use Lightspeed. Edu hosting use Lightspeed. What else? There are a lot of companies who use Lightspeed. Lightspeed is server. If you have your own, you can use your own VPS. You can install the Lightspeed server to any kind of hosting. If it's your, you have dedicated hosting for you, you can use Lightspeed. I think it's open source platform, and you can use open source platform where you have access to the server. But yeah, Lightspeed is overall very good. I have so many videos on Lightspeed. I think the problem with Lightspeed is, Pallav, that Lightspeed plugin is complicated plugin. It gives a good result, but it breaks site a lot. So I have the whole playlist on the Lightspeed cache plugin. How many videos are there? I think there will be like around 50-20 videos on this. Here you go. 11 videos I have only on Lightspeed cache plugin. I think I have more. I have not added all the plugins on the in the playlist, but I have so many videos on Lightspeed cache plugin, and I think it's a very nice plugin. It really brings the result, but you need advanced configuration for this. And I don't understand how YouTube algorithm work. Our videos are going super nice. They're helping a lot of people. Every video you go, mostly you have like such nice, damn, you saved $200. I was whole frustrated for this thing. People, so good feedback from people. Everybody is saying best video. Oh my god, it worked from 1997, all those things. But YouTube is not promoting the videos, and we also try to raise some funds also on the channel. So this is for the UNICEF, for helping children in need. We raised $9 on this video. Yeah, I don't know how YouTube algorithm is working now. It's totally, yeah. Google will also change something and show errors. Do you have a migration video plan on Bluehost hosting? Why are you going to Bluehost Hostinger? Why? I think they both are similar kind of hosting. If you have to go somewhere, you should be going from shared hosting to like cloud hosting, or maybe dedicated hosting, dedicated server. But moving from Hostinger to Bluehost, I don't think they're gonna change a lot of things. They both are very similar kind of hostings, and they both are good. Both are fine hosting. For starters, for beginners, is really good. Both of them. Also, yes, I have video on migration on the channel. If you want to do migration, you can find a video on migration. Yeah, this is me 4 years ago, 5 years ago. 5 years with the channel. Wow. No, again, that's why I say it's not about that it can make your site fast or break the entire site. You have to fine tune the plugin. I'm using business web hosting for the Hostinger. Your website is not even live, Pallav. why you're using business hosting. But I think good hosting is very, very important. Huh. Okay. Thank you. What do you like about this hosting? Should we create more videos on hosting? Because I create some videos about hosting with in-depth knowledge about how to choose hosting, because it's not very well promoted on internet that which hosting people should choose, how much traffic they should have on the websites according to the hosting. So I create some videos about this, how to choose best web hosting, like with the fastest. Okay, this is the promotional post. Which, yeah, for example, this was which hosting you need is like shared versus VPS versus dedicated versus cloud. This is another time. Okay, why I'm having this ad, Northern Semiconductors? So yeah, I explain here about everything like VPS hosting and then shared hosting and then dedicated hosting and then cloud hosting. I explain about everything in this video to explain which one you need. That's again me few years ago. Yeah, that's why I think I was very much slim. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, not a lot of people watch it. 1,000 views, not bad actually. I should maybe put this video on the channel. Okay. Any more questions, or we check the live audits and then after we're gonna. I think not a lot of people are live today. YouTube is I can clearly see YouTube is limiting the channel reach. If you guys possible, please hype the videos, please share the videos, share the channel, because I am not sure why it's happening. If the traffic is almost half, like we have so many useful videos, but traffic is almost half. Yeah, maybe I'm not giving the advice about creating $1,000,000 website with age calculator. Yes, and people like to watch that. Yes, okay. Thank you, sir. Sajid, place my video with open ears and sunglasses. Why sunglasses? Pallav, do you know this is the educational channel? This is not a fashion channel. Z, hello sir, how are you? I'm doing good. Z, how are you? I've created a landing page linked to my Google My Business profile. What specific strategy should I implement to help this landing page rank higher? By same SEO, basic of SEO is same. It does not change. Basic of SEO is same as AI SEO, same as GEO. They all are same. You have to create the helpful content around the topic. A lot of content around the topic. Use semantically optimized language. Use NLP, natural language, into the post and have authority. And also, if your landing page you are selling something, ads are a real nice way. If you want to nowadays, because it's really hard to compete with the ads, and if you have something to sell, if you have something to make money from it, just use ads. You acquire clients more easily, and then because you are acquiring client, you are making money from it. To spend that money back, invest the money back into the more ads. You cannot compete with that. Of course, organic growth is very important, but still, we are living in 2025. You have to adopt the new techniques. How's Navratri going in Paris? Going well. I have a lot of Gujarati friends. They are doing the Navratri, like 9 nights of Garba. So yeah, for me it's nothing special. It's yeah, like any other day. But yeah. YouTube will increase the reach after wearing sunglasses. Yeah. But I don't want that kind of audience on the channel. We are happy with the audience we have right now. Even less people are there. Even few people on the channel. I'm more happy with the people who are, like working towards something. And it's really complicated to manage people. You see how it's happening with the WhatsApp group. It's really complicated to manage the people, especially where they just want to, they don't want to do any hard work, and just asking, like, question we already talk about millions of times, but they don't want to watch the content and just asking the same thing repeatedly again. So we are happy with this limited reach, but unless some people are getting value from the channel, YouTube will see automatic reach YouTube will automate. Okay. Mac OS or Windows opinion, Linux. But I think it's fine. I think all three are fine. Depends what do you do. If you have special needs, then you can choose any of them. Otherwise, nowadays with the how we call this new processor, Snapdragon processor in laptops, I think Windows is also very nice. I think the only problem between the OS was like battery backups. Like Mac got the best battery backup. Like you can charge in day and you can have the whole day. Even like sometime people who don't use like a lot, they can have battery for like for multiple days with their Mac. Where Windows, you have to plug in every day, every few hours for charging. But I think with the new processor, the Snapdragon ARM based chip, they came since then. You also have very good backup with the Windows also. It doesn't matter. Do what you like. I use I think both. I have Linux. I use Windows. I have a MacBook also somewhere lying around. I don't know. I use iPhone. I have Android. Does not matter. Does not matter. It's just like how you're using and what is the purpose of your task. Yeah. If you're using a special application which is not available or which is good in one system and then other one, then go for it. Come on, I'm not developer. Lol, can chill. Why not? There's a lot of nice one. Oh, come on, dude. Like, okay. This one is called how is this version? Linux Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a real nice one. Anybody can use it. Is it okay to use laptop after? Yeah, why not? Nowadays it's very advanced. They have the system in the chip. They have system. When it's charged, it will cut off the power supply, so you can keep it. For example, if I'm now streaming, so I should having my laptop on charge. You can see my laptop is on charge. If I show you, wait, look, it's on charge right now. It's 100% charged, fully charged, but I am streaming, so it's working on full power. If it's not charged, it will not work on full power. So I don't think this is a big. I know people charge their mobile phone with their laptop chargers these days. You know, with USB-C. I saw first time my friend was doing it in India, like last year, and I was like, "What are you doing?" He's like, "Give me your laptop charger." Like, what are you gonna do? And then he plugged his mobile phone into the laptop charger. And my laptop charger like 110 watts, and I was like, "Bro, what are you doing?" And he's like, he's also engineer. I went to software. He still stays into electronics and communication. So I did electronics and communication engineering. So he is an electronics engineer. He's like, okay, no. Then we already talk about it. We know that because we study when you in our engineering that how you control the power, how many like how you design the circuit and everything to control the power input and output. So yeah, he's like, yeah, it does not matter. I was like, yeah. And now also I charge mobile phone from my laptop charger. It already has it will not draw more power than it. So it's totally fine to use the charger when it's connected. Sir, I left WhatsApp group. Okay. So I was telling you this one, Ubuntu, it's a very nice platform. It's even very easy. And there's one more platform like where you can use, you have all the software and everything made for it. It's really user friendly and stuff. Wait. What is the new version of there's one Linux. Wait, I just forget. Best UI OS. There's so many of coming from Linux. You can watch a lot of YouTubers talking about it, which is the best line, and it's very fast, especially for old devices. I have this laptop. I bought like 15 years ago. I still have this laptop. It was window based, and now I put Linux in it and it works real nice. It works as fast as my other laptops. I think I am using Ubuntu on that laptop. So yeah, it could be nice. It's also fun. You can install the Linux on your PC, and when you boot your PC, you can decide whether you want to play with Linux or you want to go with the Windows. But try one thing. It's not about only developer. It's more about increasing your technical knowledge and technical knowledge. Your thoughts on iPhone 17? I was thinking I have iPhone 16 Pro Max. I was thinking to change iPhone 17, but I don't find it they change anything. It's just I don't know. It's not impressive. And even they are really lacking in AI. Like they have no AI features in iPhones, like in comparison to Samsung or Huawei or any other Xiaomi or phones. The camera is also average. It's just like, I think it's a status symbol. I have to have iPhone, like especially most of the time latest, because we have a lot of testing. We develop some apps also, so we have to have. I have to have for testing purposes iPhone. But if not, I don't see any benefit in with iPhones. These, especially these days, no big innovation. Like this time 17, nothing. They have this one. So what they did, nothing. They just moved this. Free camera, and then they move these two buttons on the right side. That's all they did, nothing else. So yeah, and you can watch a lot of people. People who got money from iPhone was sponsored. They'll say, this is the best iPhone ever. What? Nothing. Even the colors are too pathetic. I was thinking to buy, and then like, no, if I buy orange one will be too much attention. Like too much attention drawn. iPhone 17. Like this orange it just hurts my eyes. It's so bright. It just is, especially it's not for anybody who is like, if you want attention, everybody gonna look at you, and then it's too much. They have the white color also. No, okay, for the 17 normal, not for the Pro Max. And then blue is too dark. I don't think blue will look very good. Bro, I don't understand like how their stock is going up and up. I invested in Google, in Apple. I know I bought their stocks. They are really good at marketing, but honestly, they are far behind from in terms of product quality and everything. iPhone 11 to 17, yes, makes sense. You are using, if somebody is using, I think 15, 16, I don't think 17 makes sense. But if you're coming from 11, 12, 13, I think go for it, man. You're going to have a lot of difference. Yeah, iPhone 11 is already too old, like 6 years old. So yeah, change to 11 to 17. Yeah. Is this software friendly? Can I use day-to-day software? Yeah, of course, man. You can use most of the software with the Linux. Yeah. And you can use Open Office, man. Only Office. I have this one, Only Office and Open Office. There's so many apps. I think I have a video about it on the channel. That you can. It's a free application with AI integration. Everything. You don't need to pay anything, and it does the same work. Everything. So you don't need to have to even pay. Anybody who's paying for this kind of basic application these days, what world you are living in? For digital marketers, which combo better? Windows plus Android, Mac does not matter, Pallav. It does not matter. This is not about combination, but having a laptop or iPhone, having a MacBook or iPhone does not make you better digital marketer. Not at all. It's not at all depend on that. The more you study, make you better digital marketer. The more you put a time to for practical implementation, make you better. Does not matter. Windows better. Yeah, try new OS. You can install in your current install Linux on Windows. There are so many. You can download Linux and install. For example, this one, Ubuntu. Fedora is, there's so many of there. I think Fedora is for servers. You can just install, and then after on the same PC, you can ask you will have your Windows laptop. The same laptop can run Linux also. Try it, and it's free. It's free of cost. So yeah, why not? Try it. It's really fun. I was using like Linux like full time until few years ago, and yeah, when I was like really hardcore programming and stuff, I do not do so much programming these days from last many years now. But before I was using a lot, and I think I think it does not matter. Use anything until if you have to use. Mostly I have to use emails. I'm working emails and video calls, and like Video editing also, I use Premiere Pro for video editing. For that's all what I want. I don't care about what OS is it. Okay. Yeah, but what if I buy orange iPhone? Would you buy orange iPhone, Saurabh, or no? Man, it's too bright, too bright, too much attention you're gonna get. Okay, we have one website to audit today. Milkweedyoga.com. But what should I focus on audit? It's blank. So how can I audit this website? You have to, I told you have to fill the information. What should I focus on audit? This website submission from Mangesh Dhale. Mangesh, I cannot help you out. Please submit. Like, you have to tell me what should I focus on the audit. Maybe you want some different information and I focus something else. So yeah, submit it properly. What should I focus on the audit? Sir, edit content is ranked or not? We just go back to the stream. We talked about this, Sandeep Tank. We talked about this in detail in this live today. Like first 20 minutes of the 20 minutes of the stream. We talk about in detail about AI related content, AI generated content. Do you study digital marketing? Allow me to. Okay. Huzaifa, cart page issues in e-commerce site. What? How can I help you with this content? Tell me. This. I have my complaint with a lot of people who are asking for help. Give complete reference, like how somebody can help with this card page issues in e-commerce site. What I'm supposed to understand with it. How I'm supposed to see which is a site. It's just like impossible to help anybody with this kind of level of information. If you want really help, create a nice message, take your time and then send to people, email people, they will help you out. But if you just keep sending this message, it does not change anything. Sajay, I love black and deep blue phones. So now stick with Windows and yeah, man, why you want to change it? Why you want to go to OS if you don't need it? If you need it, then go for it. If you don't need it, you stick with what you have. It's just hype. It's just like you buy something and then hype goes in like 2 days. It's just like it's not really worth it. If you really need it, buy it. If you don't need it, yeah. If you can, of course, and if you have like lots of money that you don't care about it and you have money lying around, of course, go for it. Buy everything what you can buy, which whatever makes you happy. Even that makes you 1% happy, even that's waste product, you should buy it. I totally believe in that. So, we all spend money on something which is not really like useful, but whatever, if you can do it, buy it, why not? But if you have limited resources, then focus on things better things. Maybe invest your money somewhere which will give you better returns for the future, instead of putting into things which you don't need. My 6-year phone performing well, excellent battery. Yeah. Nice. Okay. So, also guys, I'm looking somebody can help me video editing. Is somebody video editor or graphic designer? Somebody who has really good experience with video editing or video or graphic designer to create the thumbnails for the channel. I will really appreciate. Please send me email with the contact. I'm really looking because I want that more channel to come on the more videos to come on the channel, so you guys can have more information. But I am suffering with a lot of time issues. I'm really busy with a lot of stuff, so it's not possible for me to create so many videos. So, but if I can have somebody in the team. The channel does not make a lot of money, but yes, whatever money it takes, I think I can hire a video editor, so we can have like more videos coming to you with the better video editing quality. How to increase page views in a tech blog website? By do SEO of the website. Yeah, anyway, why you like do guys choose something new? Why you don't have something original on yourself? Anyway, everybody is like this is a trend. Everybody's talking about anime, and then before everybody create about crypto, everybody talk about health blogs. What is your unique identity? It's super challenging these days. This kind of niche. Find out a niche which is not a lot of people are doing, and then success is much easier. Okay. So yeah, not a lot of people live today. 7 people live online, guys. Any last questions? We're almost 1 hour to the stream, so if you don't have a lot of questions, we're gonna end the stream. And yeah, guys, please, if you see a video, hype the video. YouTube is limiting the reach of the channel. Like before, we were getting like 7,000 views on the same videos, like LCP videos 404, especially the videos I created about like error solving, like 404 error, call crane not index, no index tag removal, all those error videos. They're getting a lot of views now. They totally reach limit. I don't know what happened, and those videos got really nice uh, feedback from people. You guys can join chit chat group on WhatsApp. This is a real nice way to stay connected with people. The WhatsApp group, but chit chat group. There are a lot of other groups. If you want to be if you are interested in all those stuff, you can join the Element group. But we have the group for chit chat only, where you can talk about a lot of things. Okay, so yeah, 8 people online. Let's hit the 1 hour mark for the stream, and then we can say bye to stream. It's also sunny outside today. After many days, we are having bad temperature in Paris. It's almost like winters here already, with very little summer. So, but today is sunny, so I was thinking to go out today to enjoy the sun a little bit. So yeah, maybe we will end the stream soon today than usual. Successfully, Pallav, first of all, you have to create your own. You have to create the website. You are jumping too far. Then GA and everything, you fall into trap of like perfection. Like, first create your website, launch your website, then you go on all those things, GA4 and everything. Do you know Mbappe? Yeah, of course, I know Mbappe PSG team. I live in Paris, man. What do you think? I don't know Mbappe. PSG is my football team. I live in Paris. I support PSG. They are the champions. Football is another level. The craze here is another level. Last time they burned half of the city. You should go and watch. Is it you are asking or telling? Yes, yes. I go to football matches. I watch some matches. Okay. So no, I don't watch cricket. Sometime I watch when it is like big matches, when it's World Cup or something. We have some bars in Paris where they put big screens. The mostly English bars where they put big screens for the big matches. And I think it was small matches for like most of the matches they put the screen there. So we go to watch the matches. So we have some people who are interested in cricket. A lot of Australians come to watch. People from New Zealand and from US also now people are watching cricket. There's a whole community of people who are interested in the sports, so they come to watch matches. So we go and watch the matches sometime in the bars when India is playing all the big matches there, or it's like World Cup final or anything, World Cup semi final when even India is not even there. I watch sometime. What's the Tix price in what is Tix? No, I don't watch IPL. I think it's too commercial and just not for me. I don't. Where you get time to watch so many matches? You watch World Cup, then you watch like other cups and all the important things. Then you watch IPL, then IPFA, then to your T20 World Cup, then your Test matches. Then bro, how we get so much time? We are doing real work in life. Like how you get time to follow all those things? And I was really interested in cricket when we have less matches, but now every day, every few days, there's a big match. So yeah, I think that kind of hype is decreased. And where you get time, we have to live the life. We have to do a lot of stuff. We have to work. We have to make money. We have to live personal life. I prefer playing sports than watching sports. I think that's much better. I spend my time going to, I don't know, for sports, to go to gym, go to run or do some exercises instead of just watching the spending big time on couch. Bhuvan Joshi, is that proper? What? Ticket price. Yeah, depending on the matches. For example, I went to watch in Olympics. It happened in 2024 in Paris, and I bought some tickets from like all the way from 30 euros until 130 euros, 150 euros, I think. So yeah, depending on the match, I think. Last time it was like 70, depending where you sit also. That also big depends. If you are you buy that seats which are not like the good seats, you can have like 50, 60 euros. I don't remember exactly how much was it, but I think last time I watched like 60, 70 euros something. Any interest regarding French? Your personal question. India live last Asia Cup final. Okay, nice. Okay, guys, I think we miss. Okay, is AI generated tool info? Bhuvan Joshi, it's AI generated tool info. Is it Google accepted? I don't understand your question. Okay, you're creating content from AI. No, mass produced content from AI will not be, what do you mean accepted? Okay, there are two things to accept it. Does Google know about your content? Yes, Google knows about your content. You can create any kind of content from AI, from anywhere. Will Google index this content? That's the question. So if you create the content using AI, it has lowest priority to index. It might be indexed, but lowest priority. Google will not say that it's not important for Google to index that content, and it might stuck for days and months and years for in crawl content not index and Discover content not index content. So yeah, video is coming very soon on this topic, very detailed video. And also you can go in starting of this video today, and you can watch that part of the video. Okay, guys. So yeah, let's. I think it's enough. 1 hour we are on the stream. So yeah, if any last question, let me know, and then we can wrap up this live stream. I think I'm gonna go out. It's sunny today. Temperature is really good today. How much is it? 19 degrees. So yeah, 19 degrees temperature is good. Yeah, you must be saying it's not very good, but yes, for Paris it's good, especially when the summer is going to be end. Summer is leaving, so I think it's a nice content. Okay, guys, let's. Okay, I think we answered all the questions. So, Sajid, please open a vlog channel. Yeah, soon I'm thinking to start vlog channel. Hufaiza E, add to cart 223 auto page create like this. But what is the question? What do you want to be URL, Hufaiza? I'm really sorry, I don't understand. You have to really know answered mine. But I answered Bhuvan Joshi your question, that is AI content accepted by Google. We talked about it. It's about acceptance and indexing, about penalizing. We all talk about this. So if your question is like it's accepted by Google, what do you mean by accepted? Yes, Google knows about your content if it's AI generated, but if your content is solely created by AI generated, Google will not have priority to index this content. No, I'm not kidding. I'm very serious about it. You can read the document from Google. 11 September they launched the document about agent content. If you are creating the content using AI, Google will not prioritize this content to be indexed. It will accept the content, yes. Will it penalize? No, it will not penalize the content. You can create any kind of content using AI tools, but if you want Google to be index the content, then of course it will not give it priority to index the content. Go to the starting of stream. I talked about this in detail. You will see about agent content. Bhuvan give Bing give decent traffic, but not Google. Why? I don't know. Maybe in your case, not true for everybody else. Do you wait? Who Faiza? I think you asked some question before also. What was your question? You want how to remove this kind of pages? I think I have a video on my channel. So these pages, they are bad for SEO and they should not be indexed. So what happens if you have the pages like this, add equal to cart 2237. So they are pages like this. So for example, if you're using rank math plugin or Yoast SEO plugin, you can go to rank math Yoast SEO, and then you can disable those URLs to be indexed on Google. Let me show you. I have this content. Wait, no, it's not installed. It's by default with WooCommerce plugin. You have this thing. Wait. So this you should watch Pfizer this video. Let me show you. Go to my channel and watch. Go to this playlist of Search Console. Do you see Search Console placed here? Okay. Search Console. Yeah, here you go. So Search Console, and then there is one video about this. I think I talked about add to cart and like pages like this. So this video is let me see. Yeah, here this one index. I think no index for this video you can watch, and I think I talk about the same thing into rank math video of mine. So maybe watch this video and you will know how to hide this kind of pages, because this kind of page should not be indexed, and if they are added, they are like you're not guiding Google, do not index this kind of pages, then you're wasting a crawl budget of your website. And also is watch the robot.txt video also my channel. You will also know about these things, and this is more I will suggest you Pfizer to please gain knowledge about this instead of looking for a quick fix, because if you gain the knowledge you will know why we are doing this, and future you will know what to do in such cases. It's really important. So there is a video about robots.txt also. So you can, what you can do, you can add the code in robot.txt file to tell Google, please do not index these pages, do not crawl these pages. So this is the video I can send you here, and here you go. Just put 1 hour to to watch these videos and everything, and you will know a lot of stuff about all this. Okay, here you okay. Can I tag people in the chat? Is possible? No. But Google is YouTube is really bad for community. Their features are not really good. I send the message into the chat. No index for some. You watched the video? Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Okay, guys, I think we're gonna end this live stream for now, for today. Thank you so much for joining to the live stream. Thank you, Pallav. Thank you, Saurabh. Thank you, Faiza. Thank you, Bhuvan. Thank you, everybody who joined today on the live stream. If any questions, let me know. You are always welcome to comment on the videos. If you send a detailed comment with all the details, I might be able to help you better on your comments. So please, yeah, feel free. And thank you so much. See you in the next Wednesday. We have every Wednesday this live stream on the channel, 3 p.m. Central European time. I think in Indian time it's 6:30 p.m. every Wednesday. And you can always find the details in the live tab of the channel. Okay, thank you so much guys, have a good day. Let me know if you have any questions. You can always send me your questions via comments, or you can also join the WhatsApp group with your if you want to be a part of community who help each other, you can also join the WhatsApp group. Thank you sir. Next year sunglasses. Pallav. Hey guys, take care, goodbye, have a nice rest of the week, and I wish you